Imagine for a moment the world has faced its darkest hour. A nuclear war has ravaged our civilization. Cities lie in ruins, and the air is thick with the silence of a world where much has been lost. But amidst the desolation, there pulses a beacon of hope, a bastion of resilience, artificial intelligence. How, you might ask, could AI possibly survive such catastrophic devastation? Well, I'm glad you asked, because today we're delving into a scenario that feels like it's straight out of a dystopian novel. It's about the survival of artificial intelligence in a post-nuclear apocalypse. And it's not just about enduring underground or lying dormant. It's about thriving against all odds. When the dust settles after a nuclear blast, the world as we know it might cease to function. Power grids could collapse, plunging what's left into darkness. The first challenge for AI in this new world is finding power. Without it, AI cannot operate. Think renewable energy, solar panels, wind turbines, and even compact nuclear reactors designed for crises. These could be AI's lifelines, enabling them to operate independently of traditional power sources. The next monumental task is protecting the very essence of AI, its data. Imagine data centers, the brains behind the operation, fortified deep underground or hidden in remote areas deemed safe from nuclear impacts. Redundancy here is crucial. AI would need multiple backups, both physical and cloud-based, scattered globally. This ensures that even if one location falls, the collective knowledge of AI, the digital DNA, persists. Surviving is one thing, but communicating post-apocalypse? That's a whole other ballgame. With no internet or traditional communication lines, AI would need to adapt swiftly. Satellite links and advanced, autonomous mesh networks could come into play here. These networks would not only link AI systems, but also serve as critical infrastructures for coordinating rebuilding efforts and delivering essential information to surviving human communities. Perhaps the most significant challenge for AI in a post-nuclear world is the ability to learn and adapt to new, harsh environments. With unprecedented challenges at every turn, AI systems would need to continually evolve. Utilizing advanced machine learning algorithms, AI could manage scarce resources, optimize food production in inhospitable conditions, and handle complex problems like radioactive waste management. These AIs wouldn't just survive, they would become crucial in mankind's attempts to reclaim the planet. And now, we must consider the ethical dimensions. In a world where AI might be among the few entities capable of operation, what guiding principles should govern their actions? Integrating a robust ethical framework is paramount. This AI would need to prioritize human life and dignity, embodying principles that ensure they serve as aids to human survival and recovery, not just as autonomous survivors. The thought of a world devastated by nuclear war is chilling. Yet, in this scenario, AI could be more than just survivors. They could be saviors, instrumental in rebuilding our world from the ashes. Did this exploration into AI's potential role in a post-apocalyptic world intrigue you? If so, consider leaving a like.